Meet Bob from IT. Bob is a manager, but he doesn't really have time to actually manage IT because he's constantly putting out fires, emails exploding, endless audit paperwork. Visibility is an illusion, and somehow the explanations to the business are never good enough. This isn't just a bad day, it's another bad day. In fact, today marks the 645th bad day in a row. But that's about to change. ALVAO brings all of Bob's IT assets together: hardware, contracts, and even software. Plus, the tree structure mirrors the organization, all the way down to each device, perfectly organized into clear dashboards, all in one place. One click, and Bob's IT finally enters the 21st century. No more spreadsheets, just full visibility and real control. With ALVAO, Bob cuts IT costs by 30% and prepares audits 80% faster. And the best part? He didn't spend a single penny. Honestly, Bob wishes he'd found it around day 3. So don't wait. Get started with a free plan today.